How to replace earpads on Corsair gaming headsets. Select models of HS50, HS60, HS70 Pro series. Here we have a Corsair HS50, and as you can see, these earpads are tattered, they're ruined, they're crumbling, and we're going to show you how to replace these. First, you firmly grasp the earpad and then pull away from the ear cup. There is a plastic ring inside the earpad piece that clips into place, as you can see here. And then on the ear cup there is some ridges and little plastic clip pieces too that help hold the earpad in place. So you have to make sure those are lined up properly when you put the new earpad in. So here we have our CentralSound premium replacement earpads. As you can see, they are thicker and a lot more durable than the original earpads here. So we're going to install our own brand CentralSound earpads on here, which is the same process for other earpads as well. And ours include the plastic ring in the back, which is needed to snap these new earpads into place. And you want to make sure that seam is on the bottom of the ear cup. As you can see, you want to line that seam up to the very bottom, and then once it's in position, you squeeze and snap the plastic ring into place on the ear cup. You will feel some snaps, and you will feel it clicking into place as you apply pressure all the way around the ear cup, guys. So you'll want to make sure you put that pressure all the way around. Check to make sure it's installed properly and secure on the ear cup. And as you can see here, we got the left side, which is our CentralSound premium earpads, and on the right side are the OEM original earpads. There's a big difference. I highly suggest, even if yours aren't that tattered or torn up, it's an excellent upgrade. You can purchase these earpads at centralsound.co, guys. Have a great day.